Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Tanash Kantos in the house. How you doing, brother? Or was in the house. I don't know if you're still in the house. And ding, 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 ding. Bitcoin was up quite a bit this morning when I woke up. I haven't checked the price. In about an hour or so. I see Coinbase is down big, so ugh, what do we got going on? Stacy, besides Stacy's bonds. Talk a little bit about Roaring Kitty today, I guess. So, do we think it's a real Roaring Kitty? Y'all think it's a real Roaring Kitty? Tweeting like crazy. You think his account got hacked? You think maybe he sold his account? It is not, to me, it doesn't make a lot of sense that he's tweeting all these stupid videos, not posting YouTube videos, not saying anything of any substance on. I mean, think about it. GME could have said, "Hey, man, I'll give you $2 million for your Twitter account, and then we'll just start tweet dumb shit. You guys will pump our stock up, and then we can dilute a bunch of shares, dump on your face again." Oh, something I haven't done in a while is check my blood pressure. I went to the doctor's a couple weeks ago. They were supposed to subscribe me some one-touch needles, and then I don't think he did. So I don't know. That was rather frustrating. So I can't check my blood sugars unless I want to buy they're not, what are they called? The little pins, little needles. They're kind of expensive though. The last time I checked, a lot of money for just a little piece of steel and plastic. I feel like that shit's. I mean, if it wasn't for our healthcare system, then that thing would probably cost like it's literally 20 cents in materials. A little cardboard box, little plastic, some. I think the needles are made out of steel. I don't know what they're. Come on, dude. All right. Coinbase now down 4. We had as many think a fake inflation report yesterday, made up. They're taking things out of it. I don't know, taking coffee. What did they take out of it? Coffee, a few other things. I'm not really, I'm not an expert. I'm not sure what should be in it. Should coffee be in it? I don't know. Maybe it shouldn't be in it. It's kind of a, it's a want. It's not a need. 124 over 76. Are you kidding me? Holy shnikes. All right. Little hoarse this morning. Woke up. Got myself a gun. Blowing my nose. A little bit of blood coming out. I don't know if that's not normal, right? I think it's just dry. Getting dry. All right. E-mini S&P up 3. NASDAQ down 2. So we're basically flat. Bitcoin is up $100 on the cash, 66.6. So it looks like Bitcoin's still around the 60K handle. Had a computer reboot last night, so get my windows back open. There we go. Bitcoin 66.2. Ethereum 29.8. The alts are not really up that much. Jason in the house. How you doing, brother? Walmart earnings were good, were they? I worked at Walmart for like 10 years. Like consumer alive and well. I mean, everything costs more, so their earnings should be up, right? Everything costs keeps the prices keep going up. They're going to be getting more cash. Up $3.63. Did they have a split or something? Weren't they in the hundreds at one point? I mean, a split within the last few years. Yeah, they did. Let's see, 3-1. Oh, and that was just a few months ago. 3 months ago. Remember when it was big news? I think Walmart was like when it hit $100 billion company. 511. That was like 20 years ago. P. Favavy in the house. How you doing, brother? Meme coins. Did Walmart have stock options? Yeah, I think. If I remember correctly, you can allocate like a certain percentage of your paycheck. I don't remember, to be honest. Maybe not. I mean, they didn't give regular employees stock options. I don't remember if they had a buying program or not. Maybe not, bro. All right. Bitcoin dominance continuing to go up. Has Benjamin Cohen been a crowing? I haven't been paying attention. You know what else I was wondering this morning is poll time. Do we think this is a real roaring kitty? We're gonna look at a video of his. He's telling us to ape into memes. Oh wait, I didn't mean to do that. I wanted to see like his BitBoy. You can kind of see what my timeline's been looking like lately. A lot of Andrew Santino. I need something to listen to today. What's old George got going on? What's he got on the plate this morning? Billions flows into Bitcoin. New highs incoming. And then last night, explosive Bitcoin rally. Top crypto. Did he ever? He had a video recently where he said someone tried to dump Bitcoin. I was wondering if is BitBoy still going strong? I mean, I'm sure he is. Oh wait, it's over? Oh, look at this guy. 20 hours ago. Urgent. It's over for the Bears. The Bears. BitBoy has way less fault, does he? I mean, it doesn't surprise me. Guys. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Gravity is a bitch, guys. Man, I tell you. Gravity gets in my way at least 20 times a day. BitBoy, I'd effed up hard. He would, I mean, he's a kind of a, yeah, I mean, he effed up hard in life. He's a little bit of a, I mean, he's a lot, I don't know what I'm trying to say here, but he's not all there. He's not running on all, he's a few short of his six pack. And he's got a little crazy, he's a little crazy, you know what I'm saying?
If you can't hang a door, you're not a man. especially when the hits are already on. Okay, all right. So here's the deal, guys.
Wait, I might have. A micro. Can you guys hear me? All right. I don't know what happened. Uh-oh. I actually hit a button. Can you guys hear me? I hit a button that might have screwed things up. Output. I think you can still hear me. Mm, he used to have 1 million followers. Loud and clear, Smokey. All right, I made another change too. A microphone. I want. Okay, all right, can you hear my sound effects? Let's see. Let's do. Which? Uh-oh. Ding 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 ding. Do you guys hear the dings? FOMO. Do you guys hear the FOMO? Ding 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 ding.
It's over for Bitcoin bears. The price is up, and we are feeling good. I want to let you guys know we did not have a live stream yesterday, and today we've got some very interesting things going on in the background that we hope to be able to tell you about very, very, very soon. But it's very bullish. That's what I'll tell you guys. It is very bullish. So let's see. Yeah, nice tank top, Ben. Yeah, you guys know. Well, hold on. Power by state. Okay, guys. So let's check out the markets. That's what I wanted to do here. Because look, we're not going to be having our regular. Let's see. Let me see. How about this? Oh no. Then you guys can see.
Oh, I'm on freaking mute. I was just saying. I don't know that he got paid anything for that tattoo. He's just a massive attention whore. So he does things just to get. He's a me 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 me. No sound, no sound. Me 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 me. Must see Bitcoin update. This could change everything. Of course, of course. These titles, man. 4 years later, it's the same freaking titles. Nothing's changed. Be sure to use my link down below, guys. This exchange doesn't trade against you like all the other exchanges. Be sure to set your stop losses and blah blah blah. All right, let's check in on Bitcoin. Bitcoin 66.1. Everything else is pretty. Solana's doing pretty good. Say making a nice little comeback, trying to anyway. Litecoin's one of these coins that I kind of like, guys. I kind of like. Low risk, good, decent chance of reward. I think it's one of these coins over time people will start buying, like gold and silver. People will buy Bitcoin, but you don't know. There's a, you don't, what's the ratio of gold to silver in the world? How much more? I don't know. I mean, I'm sure we can Google it, but we know that there's 21 million Bitcoin and 84 million Litecoins, right? It's 4 to 1, and it's completely undervalued compared to Bitcoin, and it's a lot cheaper. So over time, It's the same supply and demand having and all that. People are like, oh, Bitcoin's too expensive. I'll just buy. I mean, I'm saying that's a scenario that could happen. And it's going to go up. It's going to go up when it happens, right? Is it sexy? Are they doing cool things? Man, dude, we're in this for the money. Don't lie. We're not in this for the technology or the movement. We're in this to make money. The rest is just icing on the cake, right? Oh, this is cool. It does this. I like that. Blah, 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 blah. 89-1. Look, Ricky in the house. How do you have that just on the tip of your tongue? Is that a stat you learned one day and you just stuck in your head? Gold to silver. Gold to silver. Look at that. Historical guide. You read them? I don't read. I don't even check my email. This says 50-1. I think that's price though. Silver is about 19 times more abundant than gold. Hell yeah, Dr. Payne. Dr. Payne in the house. How you doing, brother? Yeah, I didn't want to know. I didn't want to know the price. I wanted to know how much more silver there is than gold. So there's 19 times, and it's 50-1 ratio. There's some math to do there. I get Benjamin Cohen on it. I don't freaking know, bro. When Smokey sings. Smoke had a nice little drop. Matthew was wanting to buy this. I wonder if he did. Adam at Farnswoggle P. Horsetooth suicide levels. Ondo. Should have bought Ondo on the dip. It's back above the trend line. GFI, get the F into my pants. Injective, down on its butt. This is a big invest answers. This is one of his, he loves this one. Arbitrum. I haven't really noticed this one in a while. It's below $1. XRP, about the most boring crypto in the world, 51 cents. This is a stable coin. Polkadot, below $7. This one doesn't really get talked about much. eGold used to be one of those sexy coins in the last bull run. It had its move. I mean, this thing moves, I guess. I'm not sure why. Matic, just another Matic Monday. Not looking good. I wouldn't worry too much about any of this because it hasn't happened yet, guys. I mean, guys and gals. We can go back to ADA's. I mean, so many started around the last bull run. It's hard to look, but I wouldn't be worried about any altcoin prices until it happens, and it hasn't happened. The only thing that's happened so far is Bitcoin and memes, with a sprinkling of AI and a sprinkling of RWAs, and then Solana. Right? How's Avalanche doing? I mean, Avalanche doesn't look all that great. This is one of those coins that gets a lot of buzz. ICP. Jason's head couldn't fit through the door at $20. Now he's not mentioning ICP at all lately. Oh, here comes an ICP rocket emoji though. I just got a binge show with Digital Asset News. Ben, Robin, Guy, alt season. Oh yeah, they said that. Of course, they watch my channel. Cosmos came out of the missile. Came out like a missile. What do you mean? I sound too spread out? You sound too spread out to me. What do you mean? I sound too spread out, bitch? All right, Link. Everyone was talking about Link. Ain't no one talking about Link right now. How many coins do I have, bro? Please. How many coins do you have, bitch? Huh? Let's see who's too spread out. I got a bag of 80 to 85% of my crypto, probably more. We'll say about no, we'll just say 80% of my crypto is in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. And then we get to about 90% once you do Stacks and Celestia. So 90% plus of my crypto is in 5 coins. And then 5 to 10%, I got a little bit here, a little bit there, but not much, bro. Just some CNTs. Mostly, uh-oh. Retro in the house. So you own 3 coins and that's it? You don't have any small bags of a bunch of dumb shit that add up to like 3%? Oh, I have some Pepe. But my Pepe is like less than 1% of my portfolio. And all the little small shit is just little, and some of it is from the last bull run, like Jewel. I ate. Retro's back in the game. Yeah, that's the. This indicator's flashing and never let us down is the title of tomorrow's video. This indicator is flashing and has never been wrong, and that indicator is Retrobot. Jason has a bunch of dumb shit coins. I mean, that was obvious just from all the things you say in the chat on a daily basis. You're aped into just dumb shit everywhere. What is Aleph? I ape. So is that your entire crypto portfolio, Aleph? What is that shit? What do the crypto bubbles have to say? I bet Bitcoin. Oh, Bitcoin's down 18%. What? And it's the bull market's official now, guys. Crypto bubbles is just meme bullshit. What is a left, Retro? What is this shit you bought? I already have a IRA. I'm tired of you telling me to invest in these stupid trusts. Between you telling me to invest in trusts and JT telling me to pay off my house, I got 2 big fat plates of kiss my ass. Is a coin is on? Oh, what is it, bro? F you all. I don't know why you're getting all hostile, Retro. We're happy to see you. What did you pay for this? Is an Ethereum token that is a currency, a cross blockchain layer 2 network, especially on decentralized storage computing servers. LF is used to pay for storage computing and fees. Is this a Telegram special? Give us the scoop, girl. LF.im. What else do I need? Give us the scoop. Like, why are you aping into this? What did you pay for it? Dr. Payne telling you to get a Roth. I can backdoor my traditional into a Roth, I think, but I got to pay taxes. No, you don't, Tom. You don't got to pay taxes. All right. You either pay him going in or you pay him going out. It's that simple. All right, what is this Aleph? Of course I have it wrong, Dr. Payne. What the hell do I know? I don't know shit, bro. All right, this thing is market cap 63 billion. The overall scoop is they are moving towards decentralized AI. That plus Coinbase, it has to send at some point. Oh, with that poignant analysis, that cogent analysis, let's go. It is $5.99. All right. No, they got one of these generic websites that look slapped together. They look like every other AI website out there right now. Blockchain agnostic, lightning fast, low cost, trustless. Liberty AI harnessing power for decentralized AI. They're doing VMs and storage, immutable volumes. Now this shit can be big. Immutable volumes, immutable in IT can be big in the future. Immutable, like can't ransomware your drives and shit. I don't know if there's going to be a way to do that with like file stores. That's going to be some crazy technology right there. Yeah, it's DPin. They have a fancier website in their Twitter, a different product. DPin is going to be big. AI going to, yeah, of course DPin's going to be big. But it's, again, this bull run is just like, it's just going to come in waves, right? And then it's all going to come in. It's all this money's probably going to come flowing in, and a rising tide lifts all shits. So you got to determine, and I think Retro did that pretty good. This has a lot of stuff, you know, AI, DPin, blah blah blah. Real world? No, it's not real world. So, well, it's real world DPin. So this will hit a lot of buttons, or this one could explode. Now, I think this is the only thing you own, Retro, and you went all in on it. That wouldn't be my cup of tea. But I think this has a lot of promise. I haven't looked at the team or any real research yet. Backed by Ubisoft. Is it really? Partners, Ubisoft. Oh, this is a gaming play, kinda. Let's see. Pay-as-you-go alpha. Avalanche with superfluid. What does that mean? Launch 26 cloud. Static website hosting in progress. So they're trying to be like Amazon. EVM Oracle in process. GPU support for virtual machines. There's a lot of in progress. This shit ain't easy to build, dude. SSH keys. I'm not gonna lie, I don't hate what I see at all. I need to know more about the team. You can stake your alpha and earn 5%. 63 billion. Circulating supply 180. So it's about 33% out. I haven't looked at token distribution. Oh, you gotta look at the token distribution, blah, blah, blah. Nah, a lot of YouTubers say it doesn't matter. You don't have to worry about shit when it's the bull run. You worry about that later. Okay, the idea is not to stay in alpha, not to stay in this long term. That's the most important lesson I want to teach everyone. It's not important to figure out which one of these is going to be around long term. You just need to figure out which one is going to make you rich in the next 6 to 12 months. Then you get out and then you start reevaluating the next bear market. It's that simple. We don't know which of these plays are going to be the Amazon of the future. You're a dum dum if you're investing in something like Aleph IM thinking it's going to be the Amazon in 20 years. You can make a lot more money. And typically, I wouldn't, this isn't my getting in and out. The stock market, I'm a little bit more buy something good like Tesla and stay in. But when it's crypto related, I'm buying Coinbase and I'm getting the F out. Dr. Payne agrees and disagree. You agree and disagree on what? I think anything DPIN will run. Is that what you agree and disagree? You missed a Kosh. I used to be balls deep and then you got out. It helps reduce risk. Not in crypto, bro. You got less chance. I said you want to find a good play, right? So, sure, you can look at it and say this has potential to be great long term, right? So we're saying the same thing. You're not understanding. I'm saying, sure, you want to find good plays, and this has a narrative that it could be a long term play, but you don't want to stay in it. If you stay in this shit when the bull market's over, it's going to be painful. And the lower the higher up or whatever, like the smaller this alt cap is, or you're going to get more wrecked. All right, we'll keep this one on the radar. I kind of want to do a deep dive, see if we can see something about their team. See if these guys know what they're doing. Because NTX is doing the same thing on Cardano. And I can tell you that's a smart ass team right there. They don't have anything like this going on, though. I mean, this is pretty impressive so far. I kind of got FOMO. I got FOMO on Ondo, GFI, and now Aleph. It's a stupid name, though. Let's be honest. Aleph's about the dumbest name you could ever come up with. 67% of you Kool-Aid sippers thinks it is actually Roaring Kitty. Jason says Cardano's a snail. I'm going to disagree with that. At least a snail moves. If you miss your exit price, and you can, but the idea is not to miss your exit. We stayed in last time, it hurt. It did. Round tripping your back. I'm not telling you to get out at a loss. Take profits on the way up. Take profits when the greed's at all-time highs and a few indicators are saying this is historically when you should sell. Sell, bitch. It's a dumb name that conflicts with Alf. I used to love Alf. Willie! I'm not lost in any crypto. Oh, someone threw their dick on the table. You may have to get out at a loss in a project that isn't proven and is not. No, you just keep changing the discussion. Oh my goodness. Let's see. How are we doing? I see some red now. Bitcoin down. Bitcoin market cap down. Bitcoin, 66,000. Looks like we're moving a little bit. Is the market moving? A lot of Coinbase down $10. What the hell, bro? E-mini S&P flat. NASDAQ still flat. What's Nvidia doing? $950. What's Tesla doing? Tesla down 50 cents. Elon Musk taking a lot of heat for Twitter and now full self-driving. They're suing him for that. Roaring Kitty. I'm not gonna play the sound.
And you haven't
Because
heard
it's
my side.
basically just them. It's a copyright strike, but they're playing a break. This makes me want to watch Breaking Bad again. But they're playing a Breaking Bad scene, but they change what they're saying with words. I'm not gonna lie, Skylar's looking pretty hot there. She starts looking a little less hot as the seasons wear on. But early Skylar, I don't know if it was just her attitude in the show and then all the smoking that turned me off. She turns into a real C-bomb, but she's not really, it's Walt's the problem. He's telling right there, did you see that? This is a Roaring Kitty tweet that you guys believe is oh my god, Kitty. Instead of oh my god, Walt. Crypto instead of meth. Methamphetamine. He's telling us to get into memes. Roaring Kitty. He's not posting YouTube videos. He's just posting dumb shit nonstop. And you really think this is him? 11 minutes ago.
Play a game.
Are you watching closely?
There's no way this is him, bros.
So that's a Kansas City.
Stop teasing the tip already. The hell's going on here? Oh, memes.
A handful at a time.
Memes. Someone had to.
I guess after Tommy was killed, Andy decided he'd been here just
He's
about.
being cryptic, trying to make. He's telling us to buy memes, guys. That was the second video where he told us to buy memes. Is this a Fargo scene? What is this? I don't even know what this is from. What is he holding back there? What is this from? Oh, Radiohead video? Oh, give me a break. This one doesn't make zero sense. Why do you think it's like... This is not very Roaring Kitty, is it? Just posts a bunch of dumb shit. Nothing of real substance. Like, what's his end game here? It's all about. I really don't. You guys knew Radiohead. Oh, I mean, was the music playing that made it easier? Which one was it? Oh yeah, you guys heard the music. I didn't hear the music. There's a copyright strike. That video was in response to Jim Cramer on X. What did old Jimmy boy say? That's all he was was he? He just posted a bunch of dumb videos? Is that if that's true, maybe it is him then. You were a big Roaring Kitty guy. I told this, I kind of alluded to this yesterday, but last bull run, I didn't really know the difference between Vlad from Robin Hood and Roaring Kitty. Like, I would see them both in the news, and they both look like the same dude to me. Jimmy Boy lost himself. He started the last meme craze. Did he? I'm excited. Does he ever, do you think he's going to come back to YouTube then? Or do you think he's just going to keep posting a bunch of dumb videos? I know he got me wrecked in the stock market. I'm down 50% on my AMC play. It's all his fault. He comes back to Twitter, gets me to ape my entire life savings into AMC stock, and now I'm down 50%. Gonna start S-ing some D's on the corner. Wall Street Bets. Is he been on Wall Street Bets? Yeah, wrecked. Retro's still here. Wall Street. Ain't no one talking about Wall Street Bets anymore. Are they still autistic artards over here? Don't think he's posting. Is he in the Telegram? Retro, is he in your Telegram? What are your safe investments? Bitcoin, Tesla. I think those are about as safe as you can get. They can be tough rides though. Because Bitcoin Tesla has high volatility, as does Bitcoin. But long-term safe bets, you can handle the volatility. There you go. Tesla and Bitcoin, not financial advice. I think if you aped your entire life savings into that for the next 20 years and just kept buying, you'd be fine. I'm telling you, I don't think you can post this analysis without the SEC coming to FM. I don't understand why that would be possible. What could the SEC go after him for? He gets on and says he likes a company or he likes crypto because of this, and that. What charges can the SEC? I mean, of course they can do whatever they want, but real estate pension? What do you mean by pension? Real estate's always a good investment for the most part. If you buy in places, if you're good at finding places where the value will go up over time. I don't know. There's a lot of places now. I mean, the greed indicator, the fear and greed on real estate is probably pushing greed right now. So is investing in real estate right now a good investment? I don't know. But buying it over time is generally up and to the right. I'm not a big, like I bought this house 15 years ago. It's doubled in price, but the devaluation of the dollar and blah, blah, blah. It's just like any finance. What do you mean it's just like any finance? I used to invest in real estate, but it's not passive. Of course it's not passive. The YouTubers will tell you it's get a management company. It's still not passive. You got the hedge funds pucker butting. Warren Kitty posts romantic crypto after 3 years, and the hedge funds lost 1.5 billion. They probably already made that back. SEC is watching. How do you know all this, Jason? Does Gary Gensler email you an update at the end of the day? Huh? How do you know the SEC gives a shit about Roaring Kitty anymore? I mean, obviously big hedge funds got money to grease. Excuse me. To grease some SEC lawyers' palms and get them to go after him. Do I think there's a lot of corruption in our finance system? Of course. But that's what you get when the small man tries to take on the big man. It's not a fight we're supposed to win. Dude, he can move. Of course he can move markets. I never said he couldn't, dude. If he came out and said buy yeah, because people are a bunch of lemmings. I mean, they're doing it and he's not even saying that. What's this from? Is that Wesley Snipes' son, right? What's this from? Tomato.
Investors who had lost big on GameStop were looking for someone to blame, and Roaring Kitty was starting to look suspicious.
Shut up, bitch!
Investors who had lost big on GameStop were looking for someone to blame, and Roaring Kitty was starting to look suspicious.
Shut up, bitch!
Investors who had lost big on GameStop.
Is he like? Is something gonna happen? Do you think he's gonna initially? Is he gonna stop doing this and like post a video or something? Dude's like 24/7 just making videos and posting them. Do you think he's doing them or he's paying someone to do them?
Why y'all harassing me, huh? On the radio, they be over-exaggerating, so blasé with they lies.
That's Will Smith. I started watching Bad Boys. I don't know, like the third one last night. I watched it for about 5 minutes and I went to bed. I might finish it. Just, I need something to watch. I'm desperate, guys. I need something to watch. May 14th. May 13th. I want to see if May 12th is when he came back. June 17th, 2021. So I guess he did just post videos. I wish he would come out with a YouTube video. We want you, Roaring. Please come out and post a video, bro. He kind of looks like that guy right there. Emilio Estevez and... Oh no, that's... What's that? Who is that? Who is that? I don't remember his name. Come on, Jason. I know you know who that is. Don't let me down, bro. That kind of looks like Roaring Kitty right there, doesn't it? Judd Nelson, that's right. He was in like one of the Jay and Silent Bob movies where he talked about cornholing someone, wasn't he? Yeah, Breakfast Club, great movie. Wasn't he in one of the Jay and Silent Bob movies where he talked about cornholing him as a sheriff? Yeah, I guess this was what he did. He just posted dumb videos. I did not know this. TIL. Wouldn't that be something if we pull up Roaring Kitty and he just posted a video right now? Three years ago.
GameStop is one of the most compelling asymmetric opportunities in the market today. Really, I don't understand how you could disagree with that. That's why it's the top position in my portfolio and also Dr. Mike Berry's portfolio. But based on prevailing sentiment, the market, and popular culture, many think it's...
You want to believe him, right? Like, how does anyone think this is a good stock to buy? I mean, he goes into it. We looked at this yesterday, but I'm compelled to believe him, and I don't believe it.
Foolish investment. But everyone's wrong. It's like the Big Short again. Or more like the Big Short squeeze this time, right? Anyway, let me show you what we're seeing. Still in 2020 games.
I mean, he got the short squeeze right, only because he got millions of lemmings to follow him. He's a salesman. Yeah, I agree. He's a good, like,
maintains a healthy market share within the gaming industry.
he was
It's the only
I wonder if, like, was that his, is he 200 IQ? Was that his game the whole time? How did he get so many people to, because he's a good salesman, I guess, right? Oh, and he was on Wall Street Bets, and the stock Wall Street Bets was catching on, and then everyone was aping into stocks because of the sticky icky. Yeah, it all adds up. He worked as a, oh yeah, in the movie, I think you're right. He was in WSB Hard, yeah. So he did, all the right things came together. Maybe the short squeeze. It might have been. I mean, if so, that guy's 700 IQ. Kudos to him. All right, enough about Roaring Kitty. How's my Pepe doing? Am I upset that I sold a bunch of Pepe? Yes. I bought a bunch of Pepe around here. No, around here. I don't remember. Around here. And then it went down to here, and now it's up here. It's tough, guys. Crypto's tough. Dogecoin. I mean, maybe we... How's my snack doing? Snack not doing so hot. Is that the play? Buy a meme coin because Roaring Kitty? MenSwap. I was seeing... Apparently, IAG has some $500 billion company that they might announce a partnership. I don't know if it's all legit or not. Book not cooking. Sunday swap up 2%. Liquid's been one of those, man. You could have been just yield farming on Liquid for the last 2 years and done pretty well. Rejuve up 6%. Milk. Smoke on the water. But the hedge funds keep shorting. Yeah. I mean, why wouldn't a hedge fund short a stock that should go to zero? GameStop has no business being in business for the long term. That stock is meant to be. Uh-oh. Not Jerome Powell making fun of Pelosi. Ooh, Roaring Kitty. Nope. You want USDC on Cardano? Do I want you to stop posting stupid engagement posts? Yes. Can I add a left? I don't want to forget about this one. How much did you pay for your left? Retro, I don't think you ever answered. I want to make sure I buy it cheaper than you so I can hold it over your head. And go nee 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 nee. I'm going to put it right there with my other FOMO coins. Ondo and GFI. I mean, it looks, if you bought it yesterday, it looks like I could probably get it cheaper. Did you buy it in the last week? Did some article come out that made you FOMO? Someone, the BitBoy, promote it? So if more people come to buy, the squeeze is on. Only problem is nobody's at home getting that C money. Yeah, it's going to come regardless. It is going to come. How high is it going to go? Nobody knows. I don't know. I really don't. All right, Bitcoin lost 66,000. It did break out of the... the little wedge we had going on. Last time it broke out, it failed. So now do we come back and back test and then... This chart has me doing it in about 2 weeks. We're off to the races, but I think this starts the end of July, bitch. So now 8 votes. It's 50-50. Some of you don't think it's him. I'm back to thinking it's him. After our deep dive on Roaring Kitty today, I think it's him. Trump and Biden going to debate. I saw that RFK is calling them bitches because they're preventing him from being part of the debate or something like that. I'm not interested in anything Trump and Biden have to say. I'm 100% RFK until one of them, like I lean more Trump because he says he's crypto friendly and Biden's crypto very crypto unfriendly. So that makes me not like Biden. I mean, that plus the fact there's a lot of reasons I don't like Biden. He's too old. His vice president's whack. He hasn't accomplished shit. I don't think that man's accomplished one positive thing in 4 years. Ricky Stanicki. They should have a... What is he... Okay. What has he accomplished? What's one major accomplishment Biden has done? I very easily can be wrong, but what's one good thing that's come out of the Biden administration in the last 4 years? And I don't need something small. I need some real, give me some of that Democratic Kool-Aid. Green New Deal. What does that mean? Biden's daughter diary. I don't know. No. Yeah, you were talking about that the other day. They used to take showers together when she was a teenager or something. I'm all about things that are good for climate. Because I do think climate is a major concern. Ashley Biden came out as true. What does that even mean? Oh, she said it was her diary. Is that Ashley Biden? You know what I got to say to this? Hey, baby. It's not a very flattering picture, but she gets a hey, baby. He may have diddled his own daughter. She looks like a smoker there. Yeah, I have no idea if he... I mean, it was different times back then. That's not a very flattering... These aren't very flattering pictures. The old Twitter would have suppressed the shit? Yeah, probably. I agrees. Holy crap, 7:38 a.m.? I didn't even want to get on the mic. Media is not reporting on it. Oh yeah, that makes sense. I mean, I wouldn't have known about it if you didn't tell me. I don't see it on Twitter either. This is Newsweek. Did you? I don't remember. Did you vote for Biden or Trump in the last election? You don't have to tell. I know it's supposed to be anon. I voted for Meet Kevin in the last election. Nostradamus 2024. They haven't got me on the ballot yet. I didn't vote. You didn't vote? Yeah, I didn't vote either. I mean, in my mind, I voted for Biden. Now, I kind of would have rather have had Trump. I guess. I mean, I would have hated Trump the whole time. But now I know. This was a good movie. I forget what it was called, but I liked it. It was funny. You wrote in Eddie Van Halen? I thought you were supposed to write me in, bro. A new look at the Giants uniforms that will be worn up to 2 times. Those are... Wow. I would argue this is the worst call I've ever seen. You can't convince me this will. Big deal. It happens. It wasn't egregious. This time around, you're voting for Dimebag. People who lost weight and keep it off. How do you change your diet and you keep it changed and you exercise? This guy in 2011, instead of buying Bitcoin. I was looking for something to watch last night. True story. And I came across Rizzoli and Isles on either Amazon or Hulu. I don't remember. Oh no, I think it was HBO. And I'm like, oh, I used to like that show back when I watched it. And it'll tell you like what years it was out, and it said 2010 to 16. I'm like, man, I would give anything to go back to 2010 when I would enjoy watching Rizzoli and Isles. You know, what life was like back then. And then with the knowledge to know to buy this shit out of Bitcoin and mine Bitcoin. You've been watching Evil? What is that? There's a new show on HBO I want to check out. It has he's a really famous actor. He's a superhero that's kind of like Elon Musk, and he has a rocket suit. My brain is mush, guys. Evil TV show. So there's a new show on HBO where he's like a CIA in the Vietnam War. He played a black man in Tropic Thunder. What's the guy's name? Judd Apatow? No. This looks stupid. Evil. 7 point. Robert Downey, thank you. My brain was melting. Ace joins a priest in training. That shit is evil. It's got a 7.9. 7.8. These typically aren't my kind of shows. Oh, abnormal events, demonic possessions. Yeah, this really isn't my cup of tea. I think Travis Kelsey's gonna be in, like, I don't know, those my horror stories or whatever, or something like that. Those aren't my cup of tea either. Do you like those, my horror stories or whatever they're called? All right, let's get this wrapped up. Try and muddle through today. Bitcoin at 66,000. American Horror Story. Do you like that show? I never really watched it, but they're not my cup of tea, so that's what that Evil kind of reminds me. I watched the first. So is that Evil similar vein? Like the vein in my penis? Ugh. Coinbase down 10. No reason. There's no reason for Coinbase to be down $10. That doesn't make any sense. I have a put spread over there. Is it up? I mean, it's flat. It's not up anymore. Everything else is just kind of flat. How's AMD doing? I would have had today and tomorrow for it to get to $170. It wouldn't have been out of the question, but unlikely. This is more investigations into evil shit. Is that like X-Files then? Ooh, is there a new Dan Soder podcast? Yeah, with Colin Quinn. These are good. I like this Dan Soder guy. He's on. He has good podcasts. He's funny. He's a comedian. I knew him from Billions. It's like X-Files. Oh, did you say that? Was that like a jinx? You owe me a Coke? Heavyweight lineal title on the line this Saturday. Main event will probably start around 11:30 a.m. Great. And Snooze Fest news. I don't have to work this weekend, which is great. All right. All right, everyone. Come out of the can. Nope, that was yesterday. I don't know what Thursday is. I don't remember. E-mini S&P up 10, NASDAQ up 35. So it's starting to cook a little bit. They're turning the heat up over in the stock market a little bit. A little weird. Bonds up 4 ticks to 118. We didn't mention that earlier. Bonds go up, rates go down, guys. Rate cuts. Bonds are saying rate cut. Potential. I think the odds could be really high for a rate cut next. Fed rate watch tool. Current. Somewhere it tells us current. Current is 525 to 550. So this is saying 91% chance of no change in June. And then July has got us at a 30% chance of a cut. I think the cut rates are gonna keep. This is gonna go up. June's gonna go up just because of bonds. Fury by decision. Oh, I like Fury. Is it Tyson? What are their names? Oh, is JT? Who's in the house? Is JT in the house? I'm getting ready to sign off, brother. Tyson Fury having fun as fight. I'm rooting for Usyk. I don't even know who Usyk is. Johnny Delfert. ETH giveaway. I got a giveaway for you. All right, guys and gals. That's it. That's my time. You've been great. I haven't asked for it the entire video, but please hit the like. Hit the subscribe. Coinbase now down $12. Why? Bitcoin at 66. ETH at 29.60. Cardano at 45 cents. You all have a wonderful Thursday. It's not going to be a Taco Thursday for me. It's going to be a Taco Salad Thursday. Anyway.